Children, welcome to the e-class of DePaul School, Baripada. Children, I, Tapas sir, your literature teacher, today going to teach class 5 students communicate with Cambridge. This is literature for class 5. Today I am going to teach you a new lesson that is a poem, The Dark. Dark is a poem written by James Carter. Now let's see about the poem and the poet. James Winston Henry Carter. The full name of James Carter is James Winston Henry Carter. He lived in Oxfordshire, country, southeast England. Oxfordshire is a place in England. He belonged to that place. He is the poet of this poem. Let's see about the poem. Children, before that I want to say you, how would you feel if you were all alone at home and lights went off? If someday you find you are alone at home and that time the electricity went off, everywhere there is dark, pitch dark, how you feel that time? Can you say me? Yes, you think and tell me afterwards. So this poem is about that darkness of night. So let's begin the poem. Why are we so afraid of the dark? Why we generally so afraid of the dark night? It doesn't bite and doesn't bark. Neither it bite us nor it bark at us like a dog. And or chase old ladies round the park. Neither this darkness chase old ladies who are going for a walk in the park, neither it chase them. Or steal your sweeties for a lark. Neither it steal your sweeties means here sweets or for a lark. Lark is one type of bird. Next, this is first paragraph. Next paragraph is, and though it might not let you see, you cannot see anything clearly in the darkness. It is sure. It lets you have some privacy. Means you find something privacy in your life. Means nobody is going to disturb you. Because nobody can see you in the darkness, it is best time for you to take rest, to take or do whatever you like in the darkness. Nobody is watching you. Next, and though it might not be let you have some privacy, as I told you, means there will be a lot of privacy in your life if there is darkness, because nobody is going to disturb you that time, and you could use that time as you wish. Nobody will know what you are doing, because everywhere there is darkness and you find it is comfortable for you to do whatever you like. So it is one of the advantage of being dark everywhere. Provides a place to hide or weep. If you want to hide somewhere, darkness is the best time or best thing to use. Either you want to cry or weep, that and you think that nobody is seeing you, it is also best thing to use the darkness. In this darkness you can hide somewhere, in this darkness you can weep or cry. If you are feeling like crying and you are afraid that somebody will see when you are crying, so darkness is the best time you can use to weep also. Paragraph 3. When beastly thing make beastly sound, means here beastly means unpleasant. In darkness you will find every sort of sound at night, especially when everywhere there is calm. In the darkness a small insect also if makes sound, or you can easily know. So every type of unpleasant, good or bad thing makes sound, you can you can listen. So darkness makes you to know every little bit sound around you. Paragraph 3. As I told you, paragraph 3. When, as I told you, every type of small sounds we can listen here and there. In paragraph 3, it can't help to be around. It can't help but be around, because you cannot get any help from darkness. Everywhere it is impossible to see, but it will be around you to cooperate with you. You will not find that nobody is with you, darkness is with you. When beastly thing make beastly sound, you will find every sort of good or bad animal, creatures making sound around you. When back door slams and window cracks, back door means when sound of the door when it is opened with the help of wind, also you can listen. And when the window strike with each other, this sound also you can listen. When cat have fights and boys shrieks, when cat fight with each other also you can listen the sound. And the boys shrieks, shrieks here means loud cry of anything, you can listen in the darkness, because everywhere there is calm and quiet. Darkness make you to know when cat fight with each other, or voice of any insect or animal which is a very shrill sound, you can easily listen through this darkness. The dark is cozy, still and calm. Cozy means very cold. Here calm and comfortable. Darkness also make you comfortable from any disturbance. Easily you can make yourself comfortable in darkness. It is so important to have darkness in our life so that we can have a valuable time for ourselves. Cozy, comfortable and relax means in darkness you find it is very comfortable and to relax yourself. And never does you any harm. Darkness never harm anybody. It seems that you are afraid of darkness, but it will not harm you anyway, neither it harms anyone. In the loft below the sink, loft a place at the top of the building to store thing, means a storehouse. There we store thing. Below the sink, darkness in the storehouse, darkness under the sink. It's somewhere nice and quiet to think. So it is a place which is so quiet, you can sit there and think of something, because there is no disturbance in the storeroom or under the sink. The thinking thing, or you can think about anything, so where you find outside disturbance in the light, you sit under the sink or sit in a storeroom where you will find there is no disturbance because there is darkness. It's somewhere nice and quiet to think. Means when you sit there, it is a nice place to think something. Now we will see the last paragraph. Deep in cupboard, pocket too. Means darkness is there in cupboard. Inside your pocket also you will find darkness. Deep in cupboard and pocket too. It always lurking out of view. Means it is lurking here, means waiting to see something. So here darkness is waiting to see something. Why won't it come out till it's night? Means when night is not over, there will be no light. Darkness will be there with you whole night. As a good friend. Perhaps the dark afraid of light. Why don't dark come out in the light? Because darkness is afraid of light. That's why dark never comes out before light. It keeps itself away from light. This is, here you can see lurking, waiting and moving in a secret way. So means here the poet wants to say that darkness always keeps himself away from light because he is afraid of light. And darkness is not a thing that we should get afraid of. It is a thing we should be pleased to have darkness, because it is a good thing to have as our friend. Because darkness every time, everywhere help us. Neither it makes us scared, neither it makes us afraid. So we should take darkness as positive thing in our life, and it will surely we will find a good time in darkness. Rather to afraid of darkness is a very wrong thing to get afraid in darkness, but you should think positively that darkness is one of our friend, which generally helps us when we are alone. As a good friend, it never leaves us in any moment. So this is poem, a very beautiful poem, children. The moral of this poem is, let's learn to appreciate darkness, since it is also a part of God's creation. Means every thing in this world has its own importance, so as this darkness. Darkness has its own importance, but it is our perspective to see it. We take it as a negative aspect of our life. Rather we should think positively. It is a good thing to have with us because it is also created by God. It has some meaning in our life. We should think that way, and we make friendship with darkness. Thank you, children. God bless you. Have a good day, and please, as I told you before, please watch this video again and again to know more about this poem and the poet and what is the message in this poem. God bless you. Bye bye.